Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to enhance bokeh with mask in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating layers, applying field blur under blur gallery, applying some bokeh effect and adjusting its options, adding a mask, and using brush for revealing our subject. So let's get started! So here in our document, I got here an image of these women, and our goal here is to apply the bokeh effect, and we're gonna make use of the mask for revealing our subject. So the first step we're gonna do here is we're going to duplicate the layer of our background layer. So going onto the layers panel on the right side of the screen, click on our background, right click on it, and choose duplicate layer. I'm going to name this one as the bokeh effect. And then select OK. The next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the field blur. So to do that, select it on the bokeh effect layer. I am going to the menu bar on top, select on filter. Under filter, go to blur gallery, and then choose field blur. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Going back, once we already have the blur pin in the middle with the use of the field blur, now I'm going to the blur tools on the right side, and I'm going to adjust the blur into around 30 pixels. And then, under effects, from the bokeh, under light bokeh, I'm going to increase this one to around 40. Okay. And also for the bokeh colors, I'm going to set this one to around 70%. Okay. And here on the light range, I'm going to drag the shadow slider. I'm going to put that into around 130. And for the highlights, I'm going to also bring this one to around 220. Okay, so you can just play around and mix and match from what kind of bokeh effect that you want on your image. Okay, so just like that, for example, now we may still enhance the bokeh lights. Okay, for example, I'm going to increase this one to around 45 this time. Okay, and there you go. All right, now you can see that our subject is not that visible as well. And by the way, I'm going to press OK. Now, as if you have noticed that we already applied the bokeh effect on our image. But there's one thing that is missing. Our subject is not clear. So, to reveal our subject, this time we're going to make use of the mask layer. So, I'm going to click on the bokeh effect and going to the bottom, add a mask, click on this. All right, and then click on the thumbnail here, this white. And then I'm going to click on the brush tool. So go here in the toolbar, click on the brush tool. Okay. So for the options, for the opacity, we can just set it to 100. For the flow, to around 20%. I'm going to set the foreground color into black. And also for the brush tool, click on that. And then make use of a soft round pressure size. Okay, this one. Okay, and now we may now start revealing our subject. Okay, so I'm going to click and drag on it so you can see that it's being revealed now. Now I may now show you the before and after. So this one is the before and this one is the after. And that is how to enhance bokeh effect with mask in Photoshop.